Come test drive the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.